Hello you guys, welcome back and happy Vlogmas Day 7. I went through my morning routine super quickly this morning, no time to sit by the TV fireplace, went for a walk. I'm working on breakfast right now, but it is a busy day because it is DIY day. If you didn't catch yesterday's video, I went to so many holiday stores. They're all out of ornaments. Every single store is out of ornaments, except for Walmart. So I'm making DIY ornaments from Walmart. I need to go buy a few more things. We're gonna check on the ornaments that I made yesterday, see how those guys are doing. Fingers crossed they're doing well because I really think they're gonna come out cute and I really want them on my tree at some point within the next couple of days. We're also going to make DIY snowflakes and then we'll see where the day takes us. But honestly, I feel like a lot of the day is going to be spent doing DIY things. That being said, I do have a few errands to run. I underestimated the amount of paint that I would need, so I need to go to Walmart, buy more paint. I also need to buy more bubble bulbs from Walmart. Hopefully they still have them in stock because I think I will lose my mind if I go back today and there are none left. I also think that I have decided to go with the neutral boho vibe because that is just the easiest thing this year. Maybe I might glitz and glam it up a little bit next year, but I will only be in town for a couple more weeks before heading back to Sarasota, so I don't want to spend too much on Christmas decorations, which is why I think DIYing is the most affordable thing for me right now. I mean, your girl still has to buy furniture. And I'm out here buying Christmas decorations, but I think so far, I've only spent about $10, maybe even less, on the paint and the bubbles, so we're doing well. All right, I'm loading up on coffee. I gotta get this energy, gonna be running errands, gonna be doing all the things today. It's gonna be a great day. I'm very excited to see how my tree turns out. Going to eat some breakfast, going to edit yesterday's Vlogmas pretty quickly, and then we are going to head to Walmart. Also, I think I'm gonna head to Target today too, just to see what's left and what they have, because the only place I didn't go to yesterday was Target, just because when we were there 2 days ago, it didn't look like they had a lot, but might as well double check, right? All right, we're headed out and we're going to Target first. You know why? Because you can't be discouraged in a Target, even if there aren't any Christmas decorations or things that I want for decor. I know I will find something that I will like there. Could be a plate, could be a cup, but I know it'll make me happy. So, Target it is. I got a little sidetracked, so I went into Target, really didn't find anything except for gift label stickers, you know, to from stickers. But as I told you before, Target never disappoints, so I ended up getting everything for my bathroom, towels, cleaning supplies, all of those things. Didn't need to get that today, but I did anyway, so I'm gonna show you that later. For now, I'm gonna show you a few fun festive things that I picked up. I wanted something to make the kitchen a little bit more Christmassy, so I got this jar. I think it was $6 from Target, and I got these mints, which are my favorite. I'm being messy. I feel like this is a fun little something to spruce up the kitchen, add some color in here. Checking in on the ornaments, and one thing I realized is that they are a little heavy and they didn't completely dry because I put too much paint inside. So I got these little cups. They're like shot glasses or mouthwash cups. I'm just gonna put the ornaments that I did yesterday and the ornaments that I do today just facing down in these cups so any extra paint can drain. Because they're glass, the last thing I want is the top not being able to support the bulb because of its weight, and then glass and paint shattering on my floors. So cups it is, and we'll see how long that takes. I have my ornaments from yesterday in these little cups, and you can definitely see, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot draining. So Pro tip, don't use as much paint as I did. I ended up doing 2 tablespoons yesterday just to speed up the process. But if you want to be more patient with it, you have to use less paint and just really focus on getting the paint to coat the bubble, because it took a while. I'm not gonna lie, it probably takes like 5 minutes per ornament. I am doing so well and they are coming out so pretty. I want to hold one up to the tree just to see the color scheme of it. Oh, that's gonna look so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait until they're all up there. I am going to, now that they're all drained, I'm gonna put them back in their containers like this and let them dry one more night while everything is drained out of them. And hopefully I'll be able to put them all up tomorrow, but I am so happy with these. Look how much drained out. I was definitely using too much paint in the beginning. I am going to teach you guys how to make these snowflakes. So I made one white one. I made one big brown one. So it's easier than it seems. You just take 6 to 8 paper bags, and you start with the first one with this side up, this flap up, and you make a T across the top, down the middle, and then you just stick the next one right on top of it. Now that these are all glued together, you are going to cut somewhere along here. The closer you cut to the bottom of the bag, the smaller the snowflake is gonna be. And I want this one to be medium sized, so I'm going to cut around here. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just cut straight across. Now that you've made that cut, you can make any design you wanna make. Flip it over, do the same thing to the other side because you sort of want it to be symmetrical. And you can get really creative with this part. You don't have to follow me and what I'm doing. Just be creative, make up whatever you want to make up. And then I'm going to do little half circles on the side, or at least I'm going to try to. These papers are pretty thick, so we'll see how that comes out. I really decided to get creative with this one. I ended up cutting here and then 2 little triangles on the side as well. So now this is the most important step. You're going to place it down and you're going to do that T shape like you did earlier. And then you're going to attach this side to the side and just smush together. Make sure that glue is sticking. And there you have it. There's your snowflake. Wow, I have been working on snowflakes and ornaments for hours. I just did a cleanup of my space, which I feel so much better about. So all of the arts and crafts supplies are in this box. I have my little art set up here for anything that I need to do tomorrow. I ran out of paint again in one of the colors, only because I picked up the wrong color from Walmart today. So that's on me. These are drying. I'm so happy about them. I've been loving neutrals, but if you were to make these, which colors would you do? I'm curious because I always love getting inspiration from you guys. Now I have all of my snowflakes under the tree. I still think I'm going to make a few more tomorrow or maybe the day after that, But with these high ceilings, I can't hang anything right now because they are just too tall for me. So when Mark is available, I'm hoping he'll help me out with that. And I'm just gonna hang them at different lengths right over the tree. I think it's gonna be so magical in here. Now that arts and crafts time is over, I want to do a Target bathroom haul because I got so many things today that I desperately needed. I have been bouncing back and forth between Mark's apartment. Usually I'll go there to shower, then I'll come back to get clothes for the day and then go back there for Wi-Fi. Now that I have Wi-Fi, I want to shower here, I want to get ready here. It'll just be nicer. And so I got a bunch of things and I'm happy to share them. I just want to let you know it is so painful for me to talk right now because I am developing a sore inside of my mouth and it hits right where my teeth hit. I usually get these when I'm a little bit stressed out, and I think just with so many changes going on, it was bound to happen. So if I'm talking a little funny or if I'm talking slower, if I have been talking slower the past couple of days, that's why it's just really painful. Anyways, let's do this thing. I want to start off with towels because I got 2 different types of towels. I didn't even know these existed, but I'm so happy I found them. So I got this sage green color because I really like earthy tones. I'm very into neutral now. I usually hang eucalyptus from the shower head, so I feel like pops of green are gonna be really pretty. I got this oversized bath towel. I did not know they existed, but I'm so happy I got it because it's huge. It's like a bed sheet. I got 2 of these, and then I got 2 regular sized towels. The only reason I got 2 and 2 is because I feel like I wouldn't be able to put 4 of these in the laundry machine at the same time. They're just too big and I feel like that might be a little bit inconvenient. So 2 and 2 works for me. But 4 washcloths, 2 oversized towels, 2 regular sized towels, all in the sage green because I think it's so pretty. And I wish you could feel them. They're just so soft. Usually the problem with soft towels is that they don't dry well, but I've used this brand before and they dry very well. I want to show you the size of the regular towel. Definitely smaller. You can definitely tell a difference in person. Not sure if you can on camera, but the brand is Total Fresh from Target. We're gonna do a little bit of a trash can unboxing. I got this acrylic plastic type trash can. I really liked it because my bathroom is pretty dark. We've got dark wood in here, dark gray. So I wanted something just clear, and I also got a toilet scrubber that's white, just to bring out the whites from the shower. I was thinking of getting black accessories in here, but I feel like that would be too much black. Just trying to lighten things up, I went with this. It also looks very modern. I was very surprised when I saw this. I didn't realize they made cute toilet scrubbers. Obviously, I'm going to wash them before I use them, but I just folded them here until I get the chance to wash them. Main thing I'm needing for this bathroom now is a shower caddy situation. Maybe some sort of shelving in here just because that is the only place where I would be able to put my things. There's no other shelf for putting product. I will probably find that on Amazon or at Home Goods, wherever it's more affordable. In the kitchen now, shout out to my friend Maddie. I said that I didn't have any kitchenware or mugs yet, and she got me my first mug in my favorite color with a big M on it. So cute and so thoughtful. So now officially I have my first mug. Also got me Swiss Miss Marshmallow, and then these are just little cookie mug hangers that I brought from Sarasota that I'm hoping to use soon because they are just the cutest. Alrighty, I think this is me wrapping up the day. And first off, I'm super happy with this. I think it's very cute next to my coffee machine. And then my package corner just keeps getting larger, but I'm happy that I consolidated and put everything back there. I definitely feel like everything has a place now, and it's good. It's all good. I'm about to head back to Mark's apartment. It's hurting me to talk, so I think I'm going to wrap up this video for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I will try and link everything that I mentioned in the description. Have a great night and thanks for watching. Bye.